Hello, everybody. We are back for part two of our class information session. We'll be talking about some more information about our class, and basically, there's two different styles we need to talk about: online and in class. Because the first 2 weeks we will be online, and then later we will be in class. So there's going to be different information depending on if we are using the UClass website or if we are meeting in the university classroom. A lot of information here. Let's go ahead and get started. So attendance, like said before, is 10% of your grade. If you are absent, that is minus 2 points. If you are late, that is minus 1 point. If you are very late, that is minus 2 points. Excused absences, or okay absences, are if you go to the hospital, the military, or an official department reason. If you have one of these situations, you must bring a note. Please bring a note with a stamp from the office. Please bring a note with a red injung stamp from the office. And 6 unexcused absences equals a fail in the class that will get you an F grade. So please be aware of this information. Try to arrive to class on time or watch all of the videos online. Online attendance is through UClass, the website. It is automatically regulated by the website. So you must watch all of the videos from start to finish, or about 80% of them. So you got to watch all of the videos, 80% of each video, and attendance is automatically recorded in the U class. So you cannot just start and stop the video. That does not work. You will need to watch the entire video, or 80% of the video, to get your attendance for the day. So every video of every class, there will usually be about 5 videos in each class. You have 1 week to watch the videos. So, for example, if your class starts on a Monday, you have 1 week from Monday to watch those videos on UClass. The time starts midnight the day of the class, and it ends at midnight of the next week. So you have 1 week to watch those videos and do your homework. Assignments must be completed before the next class day at midnight. So basically the same thing. You have 1 week to watch your videos. You must watch each video, and you must do each assignment in UClass, and you will get full points. Pretty easy. In class, when we meet in the future, mire, we will take daily attendance. So this will be live in class. I will call your name, and you will raise your hand, answer loudly, say ne, yeah, so I know that you're here, and we will be happy. Late policy: if you arrive late to class, please tell me, let me know, so that I can check your attendance sheet. So if you come late to class, 5 minutes is okay. 10 minutes is going to be minus 1 point. If you are late 15 minutes, it's going to be minus 2 points. So again, if you come late, maybe I already checked attendance and I already marked your name absent. That's not good. You arrived, so please tell me. Just let me know. Teacher, I'm sorry I was late. Please don't mark me absent. 행복해요. Right? So just mark that, or let me know, and I will mark your attendance accurately. Participation and preparation is another part of your score. So this will be during our live class in the classroom. You are expected to participate. This is a conversation class, so we will try to do that the best we can. I know that online for the U class, that's going to be a little bit different, but still you need to participate if possible with members of your class. Having conversation, answering questions, asking questions, that kind of stuff. So each student will start the semester with 5 participation points. Free. You get free 5 points. But you can get a minus point if you are not focusing, sleeping, using your phone, speaking Korean, or distracting other students. You can get a plus point if you are answering questions, asking questions, or having good conversation. So you start with 5, you can get -1 or +1 each class, and that will total your 10% of your grade. Obviously, minus points will be given for sleeping and using your smartphone in class. Speaking Korean will be -1 point during our conversation time. Participation points plus point will be for students who answer a question from the teacher, or if you have a good conversation with your partner. We will talk about that in the future when we have a meeting in person. Weekly homework, you will have 2 assignments for homework each week. The first one will be your discussion workbook, which will be 10% of your grade. You must complete 5 questions in the workbook related to the chapter each week. That's in your discussion workbook. Remember, I mentioned that before in the previous video. So each chapter has about 10 questions. You choose 5. You must answer those questions, and you must complete 3 full lines with the best grammar, clarity, and handwriting or typing skills that you can. So 3 full lines, 5 questions, and that will get you your point for homework. Your second point for homework will be speaking. We're going to do a video recording on UClass every week. So you will need to choose one question from the discussion workbook, and you will answer that question. So you're going to go ahead and do that. You're going to record yourself speaking and answering that question. Then you're going to ask a new question, like a conversation. So maybe one of your classmates can respond to that question. The video should be a minimum of 30 seconds, speaking time. You must be speaking for 30 seconds. And then I would like you to reply or comment on classmates' videos, at least 3 people. Try to meet some new people via the online website. Interact with your classmates. Just try to make new friends, even though you're not meeting in person. So here's an example of your discussion workbook. For example, you can choose a question in there. Example question here. How do you usually go to class every day? So you will answer that with 3 full lines, not sentences. 3 full lines. So let's count them out. 1, 2, 3. That's good. 4. Super good. So that's a good answer. Let's take a look at this. So his answer here is, every day at 9 a.m., I walk to the bus stop near my home. I take the bus to the university, then I walk to my department building and meet my friends. We are usually tired from walking at the end of the day. Wow, great job. Good information. Very clear. That is a good answer. Let's take a look at a bad answer. I take bus and then I walk. I'm so tired. I hate. 짜증나 싫어. Not good. So try to have your good full answers, writing in complete sentences, 3 full lines. Do it good, not bad. UClass Online, this is what your discussion workbook will look like on UClass during our online classes. I will post these questions. You will come in here and you will write your answer in this box here and submit it. So it should look something like this, right? Good full answer. So that'll be on UClass, the UClass website. You can find that in the assignments or activities section. So here's what it looks like in your workbook, the paper workbook. In the future, when we have this in the class, see, 3 full lines. Good full answer, a lot of information. This is a good answer. This is a poor answer. Not very good. Very short. All right, please remember, do not use a translation app during your discussion workbook writing time. I know that is very tempting and very common, but please try to do your best to learn English and use English. So please don't use the translation app to do your school homework. Using the translation app is considered cheating. This could result in an F grade for the semester. So just please be aware of that. Thank you. U-Class video recording. You will record a video of you speaking. So there'll be about two parts to this. Part number one, you are going to answer one question from the discussion workbook. Part number two, you are going to ask a new question. So sounds like a conversation. Total time should be about 30 seconds minimum. And please post that to the U-Class discussion board section and watch your classmates' videos. Please watch your classmates' videos, try to learn about your classmates, and reply or comment on 3 videos from your classmates. So the U-Class speaking video, this is what it will look like. This is just a sample I did myself, right? So a video recording. You will post that to the section for the speaking assignment. You will post your video in there, and students can watch that video, listen to your information, and then they can reply down here to that video. So that's what it will look like within the U-Class format. U-Class video guides. Please be in a quiet place. You don't want a lot of background noise or ambient noise, so please go to someplace quiet, someplace calm where you can record your video in peace. Try to use a microphone if possible. Maybe if you have a PC gaming headset, you can use that, or just try to use a microphone on your phone or computer, but remember to be in a very quiet place. Use good lighting. We need good lighting in our videos so that we can clearly see your face. So please show your face. Make a good high quality video of you speaking. Speak loudly and clearly, because I must be able to hear and understand you to receive points. If I can't see you or hear you or understand you, I cannot give you a point for that assignment. So please be visible, show your face, speak loudly and clearly, at least 30 seconds a minimum, and reply or comment to 3 other student videos. So that's how the student video speaking assignment will look. And later in the semester, we will have 2 projects. Our first project in class will be a role play project. Basically, 2 or 3 people in a group will create a script, memorize the script, and then act in front of the class. It's about 1 to 2 minutes in length. So that will be our first role play project. And project number 2 will be the video project, which you will basically create a short movie. In a group of 3 to 5 students, you will create a short movie based off of topics in the class. You'll create a script, memorize the script, you'll do the acting, record the video, edit the video, and then post it to the website so we can watch your video. Basically, you're making a short parody or drama or newscast or some original content in a short movie format. That will be later in the semester, towards the end of the semester. Exams will have 2 exams. One will be a midterm speaking test, and one will be a final exam, which will be your writing test. Both of those are 20% of your final grade, and those tests will be related to topics we have studied in the class during the semester. So midterm exam will be happening in a few weeks, and the final exam will be towards the end of the semester. That'll be a writing test, probably on Saturday. Class rules. When we are meeting together in the classroom, please use English only. This is an English conversation class, so please try to use English. Do not use Korean. Do not use your cell phone or smartphone or tablet in class. You can lose points for that. And answer teacher questions with yes or no, I don't understand. This is a conversation class, so I expect you to talk to me and talk to your classmates. So please answer questions and have conversation. Obviously, there is no sleeping during the class. When we're in class anyways, you cannot sleep. And no side conversations, so don't be talking to your friend during class. Just focus, pay attention. We'll have plenty of time to have conversations at the appropriate time. Class goals, the goals for this class. Improve your English ability. Obvious one. That is my goal for you. I hope you have that goal. We're going to do this through some conversation, some discussion, free talking. English will be important in your life, maybe now, maybe in the future, to get a job or to travel. So let's take the opportunity now to try to start improving our English. Make new friends. I know most of you are new to the university. Unfortunately, we cannot meet from day one, but you can still learn about each other. So please try to meet some new people via their videos. Make some new friends. Be kind, be respectful, be open, comment and reply to each other. Please don't be afraid to make mistakes. I know you are not English experts, so I do not have high expectations. I just want you to try your best. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Improve a little bit day by day. Get better, and that is great. And lastly, let's try to have some fun. I know on the online class it will be difficult to have fun, but when we start meeting, I hope that we can have some fun together and have some conversation and some laughs, watch some videos. So let's try to keep it as fun as possible. All right, great. That is the end of part 2. That is the end of part 2, so please go to the next video, part 3. We will discuss more information. I will talk about myself, and then later we will talk about the class syllabus in detail. Thank you very much. I will see you later.